TimTim.Live. Close your eyes for a moment. Go back to that younger version of yourself, the one who still believed anything was possible, the one who never stopped dreaming, even when life got in the way.
TimTim.Live.
I remember it like yesterday, a cold afternoon in Lynn, Massachusetts. I was only 18, with stars in my eyes and music in my soul. Then I saw her, a white guitar, hanging there on the wall, like destiny had placed her there for me. The moment I held her, my heart started beating to a different rhythm.
I walked out of that store, holding more than a guitar. I was holding my future, I was holding a dream. But life has a way of changing our direction. Responsibilities arrive, bills need paying, families need caring, and sometimes we leave pieces of ourselves behind
Just to keep moving forward. One day you return to that same little store, but this time you weren't carrying hope home, you were leaving hope behind. You placed the guitar on the counter, but it wasn't just wood and strings, it was part of your heart.
How many people listening tonight still carry a forgotten dream? A book they never wrote, a song they never sang, a life they never dared to live. Maybe tonight
This song is calling them home.
hold my white guitar. Do you still remember me, that young boy who believed
He could change the world with a few simple chords and endless hope.
hold my white guitar? I never stopped loving you, even when 40 years slipped away.
Even when life took me down another road,
You were still alive inside my soul.
Some dreams fall asleep, but they never die.
TimTim.Live.
They wait, they hope, they keep believing until we find our way back. Back in 1988 at Salem State University, I sat behind a piano with the same fire burning inside. I dreamed of starting a band, writing songs, touching hearts, making people feel something real. I even bought an electric piano, spent hours playing Tropicana melodies while my dreams danced through my mind.
But business became my path,
Success became my mission,
and the years kept rolling by.
one after another, like pages turning in a book.
I thought it was too late
Too late,
to start again,
too late,
to dream again,
too late.
to come back. Too late. Who told you that dreams don't grow old? Passion never expires, the heart never forgets.
When it's been 40 years,
Yes, and your dream waited 40 years for you too. Every single day, it waited for this moment. Hold my white guitar.
tonight I'm coming home,
Not as that young boy anymore,
but as a man who finally understands that success means nothing.
if your soul isn't singing,
All the money, all the achievements
never made my heart beat.
like play one more song.
If I inspire one person
To believe in their dream again,
then every mile, every tear, every year will have been worth it.
Today, I have a 30-minute guitar lesson. Some people might call it a small step, but for me, it's a 40-year journey. A reunion with the boy I used to be. The door opening once again
To a dream that never dies.